So how to fix the invisible track problem in Vegas Pro. So first of all, a huge thank you to Edward here from JetDV here in the Vegas forums, because he provided a very simple solution on how to address this. Now I'm using Vegas Pro 13, but apparently this issue is still happening in the latest version of Vegas, so I'd like to post this video to try to help anyone else out who's having this problem. So first of all, you can see here on the track numbering that we've got track 11, track 12, and track 13 is non-existent. It just jumps to track 14. So track 13 is a problem track. It's an invisible ghost track. So you can actually confirm this by, in this case, it's an audio track, and I already know which clips are being affected, so it's actually a duplicate basically of track 14 here. So if I right-click on this track and go to select and project media list from here, and you can see I have 55 use counts. Now that's actually inaccurate, because if I select this and I go to select timeline events, I actually have this track used 30 times. So 30 times, and then on the ghost track it's being used 25 times. So when you add those together you get 55. So there is that ghost track, and we want to get rid of it. So now, thanks to Edward, we have a very simple solution to do that. So first thing to do is to ungroup these tracks up above here, because I've got these sitting in a group. So I'm going to select these two tracks, and I'm going to go to group, track group, and ungroup. So we've got track 11 and 12. And now in this other group here, I've got track 14, 15. We're going to ungroup those as well. So track group, ungroup. And so now you can see that there's still that missing track. So what we're going to do is we're going to select track 12 and track 14. Select track 12 and shift select track 14. And then we're going to right click, go to track group, group selected tracks, and presto, track 13 has returned. And so you can see there's that problem track 13, which was actually in my case extending out beyond where it should have been. And now you can just select that track and delete it. And so now if we go back and do our check again here, so I go select in project media list, now you can see we correctly have 30 as a use count for that particular clip. So the track, invisible ghost track, has been deleted. And again, a huge thank you to JetDV over on the Vegas forums.